Hey guys, it's Pokemon Toast, and I told you we'd be playing Roblox, and my good sirs and mams, we are, and I told you, bro, I told you. Okay, so we are playing Flee the Facility. I can't read. Let us see. Lol, this game. Oh my god. Equal cringe. Hey Joe, I have a question for you if you are going to watch this. So you know how I started my YouTube channel on a phone? How do I record the PC from my phone? Anybody? Anybody whatsoever? Anybody want to help a brother? Anybody? Because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm actually playing on my PC. But I did tell you we play Roblox, and did I say it would be? Did I say it would be on PC? No, I said it would be Roblox. So, yeah, we're playing on phone right now. I probably just said PC because I'm thinking about PC. Why is life? Why is that? Why is that face? Are you constipated, good sir? Okay, that's nice. So guys, we're going to... Ooh, okay, for everybody watching this video, I do know a pretty not good hack. Well, it's not a hack, but something really cool. Okay, so you want to go to the back of this house, okay? Crouch, crawl in. See how there's like a little hole in there? You can crawl in. And I found a secret place in here. Why? Why is life? Get that out of my face, I don't want it. No, I was demonstrating something. No. Yeah. Why? Why? Why is life? Bro, you followed me. You're a cheater. You are. Get out of my face. Get out of my face, man. I love your shoes. I love them. Okay, so this is what you end up in. Oh, it's so cool, man. Okay, so guys, you end up in this, place that I'm playing a game in a basement. Woo! And this is where I'm recording. Oh my god, the lag is real right now, though. I can't even see. I'm gonna spectate. So remember, Joe, answer my question. Answer my question. Joe, we will provide. Did I just fall out? No. I did not just fall out of the map, did I? Oh my... My god! Oh wait. Okay. Guys, we're gonna go hack some computers. Oh no. Let's do this, boy. We can speed hack this. We got it. We got this. So they did fix a glitch in this game. That's nice. We got this. Oh, we got it. This man sucks. It's probably because he's playing on PC though. Now PC is better for like parkour and crap, but you can do it so much easier on phone when you have to smash some buttons. Okay. So yeah, this is our first Roblox video, guys. Woo! Okay, we got done with that. I'm sorry for the lag. It's complete lag, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, Lord. Please. I'm not a weenie, so I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, I'm a wiggle worm. Okay. So when I say that, I'm not... Run. 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 Oh. What? Why? Why did I just see the horror? No! My friends! My friends have been captured! They're caged! It's the cage! Can we show a picture of Johny Cage right now? Can we? Dude, I got you though. I for real got you. I got you. Oh my god, I do not got you. Keep on hitting the button. Ah! Why? You can't do something. And yes, this is what I get when I try and help somebody. Okay. Dude, go easy on. Easy on me. I am playing on a phone, bruh. On a phone. Preferably Samsung. I'm mad. Oh, and also I bought $100 thingy. And, you know, like the clay packages? You know what I got? I got a wood hammer. And of all the other crap I could have gotten. So remember guys, I am playing on phone, so that's why I kind of suck right now. Yep. Oh yay. I'm the best at this game. You cannot ruin my score. GG. GG over 9,000. Bruh. For the people who's watching this, I suggest you bleach your eyes after watching my videos. You probably should. It's healthy. It's healthier than the alternative. If y'all hear that in the background, that's like a fan, I think. I'm not sure, honestly. Preferably, I think. No! Like I was saying, preferably I think that was a fan. But then back to my crying stage. No! I get knocked off the road again! What? Drown me! Just drown me now! Oh my god. So guys, y'all have been really nice to me. Am I glitching out? Oh god, I'm glitching out. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah! So guys, whenever I'm done glitching out, I'm sorry, game. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say drown me. Don't drown me in the legs. Don't drown me in some legs. Ah! Please. Please. Oh no. I might have to end the video if this is what's gonna happen. Okay. This is what's gonna happen. Well, guys, thank you for watching the video, I guess. Drop a like and subscribe. That's how you end the proper video. And, like I was trying to say, thank you for all the love you have been showing me. I'm a chicken, been showing me love. I have reached 20 subscribers and I'm still gripping for some new heights. So thank you. I remember when I first started this channel, 1 subscriber was one of my friends. It was kind of puny and I felt insecure. And if you watch some of my other videos, I will talk about that. And join my notification squad. Subscribe to all my friends. Subscribe to me mostly. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, my homies.